What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a fierce red look to start off the rainbow series coming in the future, so be sure to come back, check it out. And if you like what you see in the video, like and subscribe. I'll start off by saying thank you so much to my neighbor Sherry for this awesome bag.
The eyes are the groin of the face.
If that isn't the truth. Then I wanted to thank my brother and sister-in-law for this graduation gift. Isn't it awesome when your graduation gift is supporting your YouTube career? It's super fun, super cool. Feel pretty excited. Now I'm going in with Mineral Touch from YOUNIQUE for the first step. Moving on to concealer. I'm gonna go in and blend with Mineral Touch Pressed Powder. This powder is really nice because it blends together the liquid foundation and the concealer, sort of just fuses it together really nicely. You can tell that it's made to work together. To finish up the brows, we're going to be using the Moodstruck Brow Obsession palette. I don't know what's a good angle for you guys. I'm still figuring this out. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick when you start by packing a vibrant red into the crease. Time to cut our crease. My mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. I'm going to emphasize the crease with some white eyeliner. Now we're going to go in and add some glitter to the crease. I'm freehanding today, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so I just went in and put some lashes in. Now I'm gonna go apply some mascara to the bottom. Burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see, I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it.